I'm very pleased. The last bit of this video is the most important bit. AmiBridge 0.6 is out. Amazing, but it's not finished. Right, first things. Changes, improvements. Icons on the desktop. Aros. Icons on the desktop. Look, it's amazing, right? Absolutely, it makes such change. And I've got rid of the Ami Start. I apologise. It's a nice little program, Ami Start, but you know, I prefer just icons on the desktop. It's fine for me. Right. So the other thing is the pointers have changed. You can now have busy icons. So I'll give you an example. If I've done it already, look. Let's think of something else to copy. Right, if you watch the pointer, I don't know if you saw it flash then, but let me just copy that. I'm just going to copy the fonts drawer into the RAM, but watch the pointer. See the pointer changes. So the pointer will change, and you can set it to whatever you like. That's actually a really nice little feature. There are lots of other changes. There's loads of stuff coming out. You know, probably Chris 1.21 is out, which has got loads of updates and fixes and changes and so on. It's got the latest version of OWB, etc, etc, etc. Yeah, well, let's not worry about that. But something I really like is remote desktop. Now, for those who don't know, I actually develop for Windows. Sorry about that. But you know, I make money writing document management systems that are internet based. So for me to be able to control servers is actually quite a big thing. So if I shut up, I'll just do this. Okay, remote desktop, give it a second. Here's my server. Now this is my Cluster UK server, and here you go. Look, I'm straight into Windows. You know, what can I say? I mean, I'm controlling a Windows machine now. I mean, it's I can even open up the browser, and I can do all sorts of amazing stuff. Cluster UK, and here's my site. Anyone who hasn't been there, so look, run an Internet Explorer through that is kind of amazing. So let me just close this down, and right, I'm just going to log that off because I've got to do this properly. So remote desktop, fantastic. Right, but that's not what you're here for. Right, this one I want to show you today is what I'm really excited about. AmiBridge. Now, I've kept quiet. I didn't want to talk about the last version because, to be honest, it's buggy and it was. But it's a. People don't understand. It's a really big job, and Oliver's an absolute trooper on this. So, right. The first thing I do is now I've dropped my resolution down to 1024 768. I normally have it 1280. And I've also changed the layout a little bit because this will make sense in a minute when you see the next bit. Now, I've miniaturized my my workbench, so it's actually non-backdrop. Okay, or is that backdrop? Yeah, non-backdrop. My icons over this side, and it all become clear reason why. And the actual workbench screen has got. Well, you see the picture, and here's the Amiga. This is Amiga Forever, by the way. And down here you can see all the icons that comes with the Amiga Forever start bar. So. Usual thing. So I want to run a program. We all know TV Paint runs really well. Let's make sure it's set the right resolution. Here we go. Let's grab an image. Oh, this is just something I've been playing with, so it's not for any particular reason, but just to show you how fast this thing runs. Oh, just so you know, this is not the standard iMica Atom. Okay, this is the iMica Pro, which has got a 3 GHz processor in, so it's actually perfect for doing the stuff I'm going to be showing you. So now I'm just going to do a little bit of mapping here and show you. Alright, here you go. TV Paint, bloody amazing, isn't it? Right, so let's what was it? We'll kill that, and we'll come back to Lightwave. Now, at the moment, I've got this set to full screen instead of in my last video where you saw the open the windows. Now, this is not finished. It's not. There's things that got to be changed, but this is all working. But we can see a little bit of the window underneath. Ignore that. That will go away. I just want you to see that everything is running really nice. Now it's single mouse pointer. All this kind of stuff is working. Now here, let's just do something quick here. Here, how about that? Let's render that. Oh, it's got 3 GHz machine in, doesn't it? Oh, how about I render something? Yeah, that took ages, didn't it? Bit quicker than on an Amiga. I've got loads upstairs, love them to bits, but you know, if I'm going to run something, I'll run it on Aros now. So let's kill that off. Okay, so now, what did you actually want to see? Well, I'm guessing you want to see the control panel. Now, we'll run a exchange, Aros exchange. Scroll down, find the control panel, press show. Here's the Janus control panel. I found out about this yesterday. I didn't realise you could do this. Do my head in. Integration. Right, you can see I've got, oh yeah, but I must remember to show you this. Launching programs from an Amiga partition from Aros. Weird. Right, but now we've got it coherency. Now, if you don't know what coherency is, I'm going to show you. It's disabled. I'm going to enable it. Check it out. How about that? So now, you see the windows at the bottom, the bars at the bottom, my workbench windows here. And the other thing is, if I do my Alt Tab, you see how I can scroll around. I'll hide that window. Let's kill that. Now, there you go. Now my Amiga windows are here. Okay. Let's open up a couple of windows. Now, bear this in mind. It's really, really important. Okay, this is debug code. Okay, which means it's doing loads of stuff, putting loads of messages out, etc., etc. So it's not as quick as it's going to be. Before anyone says, "Oh, it's leaving bits behind," but yeah, it's test code. It's just to show you it working. Right, with that in mind. Okay, so here we go. Now these are Amiga applications, as you can see. They just open up as happy as Larry. Oh, I've already opened that one. Here we go. So there's Amiga applications, but I can, down the bottom here, I can click on multi-view. Let's go and find something to load. What have I got in images? I'm sure I've got something in here. Yeah, Nailer. Here we go. Right, now this is a 68K Amiga multi-view displaying an image on the desktop of Aros. Now, let me close that down because it's taking a bit of space. Now, I haven't got a lot of space on it because it's only, as I said, 1024, 768. We'll go higher, but I've not got it set high. So, just something we can see if I move that over there a bit. Yeah. Now, this is an Aros program. I know it's fairly obvious now, but this is actually an Aros program running Aros. Oh, now, see if you can notice a clue here, right? It's a nice little Blender animation. Now, we're trying desperately to get Blender onto Aros. Fingers crossed. We're offering money to lots of people, and it's you know, it's possibly if you want it, get in touch, join up. You know, we're going to maybe set a bounty. I don't like bounties, but we'll maybe set a bounty up, but we're trying to get it done anyway. So at the bottom here, we've got the bar. Right, so as you can see, there's plenty of animation, there's plenty of stuff going on here. Now, if I then want to say, well, you know what, I don't want that there anymore, I want to put the Amiga back where it was. Sorry, talking to myself here. Show, disable, bang, gone. Yeah? There it is. Back on its own screen. Is that not brilliant? Okay, I'm going to keep it brief. That's it. I'm not going to show any more. I think that's probably enough for most people. Let me know. Toodaloo.